Hey everyone, ready to crack the code for business English? It's time to level up your English proficiency skills as we help you get ready to win. Welcome to HIP English. My name is Angela and it's another episode here at HIP English. This is brought to you by Hopkins International Partners, and our goal here for the video series is to help you get ready to win and conquer your TOEIC and TOEFL tests. We're currently doing a 10-part series in the TOEIC test. We're already on video number 4. Today, we will be discussing about the listening section's first part of the test, which is going to focus on photographs. We will talk about some tips that you may use and find helpful as you go through the TOEIC listening section. Ready? Let's go! Before we begin, we're hoping that you've already seen the previous videos of the TOEIC listening and reading tests. I'd like to talk about very quickly about the TOEIC listening and reading test. The TOEIC is actually just an acronym. TOEIC stands for the Test of English for International Communication. TOEIC is an international standardized English proficiency exam. It's a business English test or a test on how well you're able to process and understand and use English in a typical workplace scenario. You can use the scores to complete requirements for your employment or university applications. Test score users usually use your score results for assessment, placement, and promotion. The TOEIC listening and reading test is divided into 2 sections. The first part is on the listening exam, and the second part is the reading exam. The first part of the test is the listening section. For this section, all of the questions and answer choices will be played via an audio player. Take note that once the recording has started, test takers are not allowed to leave the room and latecomers will not be allowed to enter anymore. So if you're taking the test online, please make sure you come ahead of your schedule and you attend the orientation. The first part of the listening section that we will discuss is on photographs. This part will have 10 items. For each question in this part, you will hear 4 statements about the picture that you will see on your test booklet or on your screen. Statements will not be printed on your test booklet. When you hear the recorded statements, you must select the one statement that best describes what you see on the picture. In the next part of this video, we will do a mock test on photographs. We will be showing you several pictures and will be stating 4 descriptions after. Try to choose the right description, and by the end of the 10th example, we will flash the correct answers. Let's start with this one. With this picture, the audio recording may say, A, the woman is reading a book. B, the woman is reading the newspaper. C, the woman is holding a paper. D, the woman is using her mobile phone. Let's try another one. For this picture, the choices are A, the man is working on his computer. B, the man is holding a paper. C, the man is printing a document. D, the man is drinking coffee. Let's move on to the next one. For this picture, the choices are A, the doctor is typing on the computer. B, the doctor is holding a pen. C, the doctor is writing down notes. D, the doctor is listening to his patient. For the fourth one, the choices are A, the man is holding a book. B, the man is holding a box of fruits. C. The man is writing some notes. D. The man is talking to a customer. For the fifth picture, the choices are A. The man is reading a document. B. The man is playing some music. C. The man is eating a sandwich. D. The man is sitting down. Here are the choices for the sixth picture. A. The woman is on the phone. B. The woman is using her laptop. C. The woman is wearing headphones. D. The woman has coffee beside her. For the seventh picture, here are the choices. A. The woman is holding a small note. B. The woman is holding a glass of water. C. The woman is talking to the man beside her. D. The woman is holding a stick. Let's move on to the eighth picture. Here are the choices. A. The man and the woman are wearing safety goggles. B. The man and the woman are preparing food. C. The man and the woman are reviewing documents. D. The man and the woman are beside a table. Here are the choices for the ninth picture. A. The woman is preparing a meal. B. The woman is wearing an apron. C. The woman is printing some documents. D. The woman is distributing documents. For the last picture, here are the choices. A. The man is restocking the empty shelves. B. The man is throwing out the trash. C. The man is picking up some boxes. D. The man is making a list. Now, let's take a look at the answers. How many items did you get right? The trick is to just listen carefully. Always choose the one that obviously describes the picture. Some of the choices, though, may be tricky, but there will always be that one description that perfectly describes the picture. The photograph section only has 10 items. Once all the pictures are done, you will automatically move on to the question-response portion of the listening section. You may check out the next video in this series for question, response, and the other parts of the listening section for an in-depth look and experience. You can also check the links in the description below and see them in the end of this video. This ends our talk about photographs from the listening section of the TOEIC test. We hope you learned a lot, but before we end this video, we just want to do a very quick recap of number 1. Come in 30 minutes before your test schedule so you have enough time to settle down. If you're taking the test online, please make sure that you log in ahead of schedule. Number 2, test administrators will be playing an audio recording to instruct you on how to fill out the answer sheet. If you're taking the test online, again, all your questions should be directed to our representatives. Number 3, on the actual examination, when you have your answer sheet, make sure you shade legibly. Number 4, remember that the listening section is only good for 45 minutes, with the audio recording being played only one time. Be sure to focus. So now that we've learned a lot about photographs, it's now time to move on to the next part of the series, question response. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you again in the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe to our HIP channel, and we'll see you soon again as we discuss more about the TOEIC and TOEFL tests. See you soon and good luck!